Turn the page, live your life every day. Don't let anybody stand in your way.
We have a nice piece of sourdough bread. We have a pasture-raised egg. A little butter. And this is peanut butter. Hey, Mike Faster here. This is another one of my simple fried egg recipes. It's a fried egg on peanut butter toast. It's as simple as that, but wait till you check this one out. It's going to taste delicious and be what? Killer diller. All right, we have a medium pan. Put the butter in. Get that toast down. This is very simple. Like I said, these are simple recipes, but they're simple and delicious. Put that egg in. Perfect. All right, we'll let that cook for a couple minutes before we flip it. All right, I'm not going to put any salt or pepper on this. The peanut butter will do all the flavorings. See how we're doing? It's been a couple minutes. Still has a little more to go. Again, you want to be careful so you don't bust that yolk up. All right, that looks ready. Just gently flip it. All right, I'm going to shut it off. And we're going to wait and get that toast. Put this baby together. That toast is ready. It's a huge piece of toast. So we'll give it a huge chunk of butter. All right, that's good. Now here's the crazy part. I'm going to put the peanut butter in. This is a Valencia peanut butter from Trader Joe's. That's all peanuts, no sugars, no salts. This is a nice big dollop of protein to start your day, or, you know, whenever you want to eat it. But look at that. That's a baby right there. All right, that sucker's ready. All right, there's the egg. Put that sucker right in the middle. All right. There it is, the fried egg on peanut butter toast. But let's bust that egg open and see what it looks like. You ready? Oh, look at that. Big bite coming up. There's the close-up. And here's the bite. What do you think? It's very chewy from the peanut butter, but the egg, prevalent. Let's try a more yolky piece. Look at this. Yolky. Oh my goodness. And there you have it. Another simple egg sandwich. Egg on toast. With this toast, this peanut butter, this egg. Delicious. You gotta try the combo, it works. And for more videos like this, check out Live Life 365 on YouTube. Till next time, peace.
Live life 365.
That's no yolk. No joke. It's That's the one. I got a lot of peanut butter in my mouth. That was for my mother-in-law's birthday. Oh. I'm a mime. Swimming. That's a sweet babu and a baba. It's the end of Christmas, if you can see it right there. There's the tree. Always a present. That's it.